Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. The first thing that you'll need to do is go into App Store and you want to search for YouTube as you want to check if the app needs updating. So you'll simply type in YouTube, then you'll select YouTube. And if your app doesn't need updating, as you can see right here on my screen, you will see open. If it doesn't need updating, the next thing that I would recommend that you do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on general. Then you're going to select iPhone storage. And from here, you'll simply scroll down until you see YouTube. And you're going to tap on offload app. By tapping on offload app, you'll still be able to keep your documents and data, but it will simply refresh the app. And by doing this, I'm almost certain that your problem will be solved. If it is, be sure to let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.